Hi everyone, good evening. Warm welcome to each and everyone who joined the PowerBi webinar today. Myself Sheila from AllPro Trainings is presenting the webinar to you today. So before we start, let me explain you about today's webinar agenda. So the webinar is for about 90 minutes. First, I will be sharing AllPro welcome video. It is for 1 minute. Then I will be presenting the AllPro training profile for 5 minutes. Then the APT student guide for 5 minutes. After that, the trainer and student introduction, it is for 10 minutes. Followed by that, the trainer will be taking over the webinar content for 45 minutes. After that, we have a doubt clearance session for 10 minutes. Then I'll be sharing the old students review for 5 minutes. And finally, we have an APT offer session. It is for 15 minutes. And at the end of the session, we will be sharing the feedback form link. So those who are attending the webinar, please stay till end of the webinar. The feedback form link will be shared only at the end of the webinar. Those who fill the feedback form will receive the participation certificate. Only those who fill the feedback form will get the certificate. The certificate will be sent to an email ID that you give in the feedback form within a week. So please attend the webinar till the end. So now I am presenting the AllPro welcome video. Kindly watch it.
Hi ma'am, shall I start the webinar?
Please wait, ma'am. Let me finish the introduction. After that, you can proceed.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. So now I am presenting the AllPro trainings profile. So AllPro Trainings Private Limited is an Indian government approved company that offers a wide range of technology and soft skill training services to students, freshers, and experienced professionals to level up their career. So we provide training in information technology, electrical and electronics, and soft skill courses. Our vision is to provide professional training to more than 1 crore people worldwide. Our mission is to provide high quality training with well experienced trainers. Telling about our timeline, in Jan 2020, Institute was founded and the first batch of students enrolled. In 2021, we successfully expanded college and corporate trainings. In 2022, we formed a partnership with the foreign clients. In 2023, we launched internship training programs. In 2024-2025, we reached 30,000 plus students globally. And in 2026, we are recognized as a leading training institute worldwide. Telling about our services, we include individual training, corporate training, college training, and also we provide a job or work support. So in individual training, we provide a free webinar. It covers overview of the technology. Free e-certificate will be provided to all participants. Then the flash course or workshop. It is a 5 to 10 hours of live workshop. It covers basics of the technology. And then the full course, it is around 35 hours of live practical classes designed to work on live projects and to achieve professional certifications. And job support, we provide secure and reliable support from IT experts. We'll be helping with the real-time work, tasks, and projects. We provide support across multiple IT technologies, support available on hourly and monthly basis. We provide confidential, professional, and trustworthy support, and we have successfully provided support to 1,000 plus professionals worldwide. We have students from India's major cities as well as from USA, Canada, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, UK region, Africa region, and all over the world. So why to choose us? You can learn at your convenient timing, practical live hands-on sessions. We'll be helping you in resume preparation. Sample resumes will be provided. Mock interviews will be conducted. Interview questions will be provided. Lifelong community support will be provided. Job guidance will be provided. And course completion certificate will be issued by our institute. And daily job links will be shared in our WhatsApp channel. LinkedIn recommendation will be provided. Certification of vouchers available for all technologies. And also we have a consultancy. So if there is any requirement from our client side, we'll be referring our students. These are the list of courses offered by us. RPA and RPA, we have Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Pega Openspan, Power Automate, Cloud Computing, Procurement, AI-related courses, Gen AI, Agentic AI, Machine Learning, then database-related courses, front-end and back-end developer courses, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, then ERP tools, CRM tools, testing related, ETL tools, all programming languages, business analyst, project management, app development, then DevOps related, IAM tools like CyberArk, SailPoint, cybersecurity, then Power Platform, ServiceNow, all modules, BPM tools, data governance tools, and many more courses. We also provide training on electrical and electronics as well as soft skill courses. So we are proud to be an Indian government approved private limited company. Our official WhatsApp and Instagram accounts are Meta verified for liability. Telling about our social media reach, we have 1,60,000 plus followers. We got 4.8 ratings from 400 plus verified reviews. We have 90K plus followers in our Facebook page, account, and groups. We have 15K plus followers in LinkedIn and 8K plus followers in Instagram. We got 2K plus subscribers in YouTube, and we have 21K plus followers in our WhatsApp group channel. And we are also available in Twitter, Threads, and Telegram. These are our clients, some of our clients. And these are some of the certifications cleared by our students: UiPath, Blue Prism, AWS, Power BI, Power Automate, Data Analyst, and many more. So now I'll be explaining the APT student guide. So the APT student guide explains how we provide training to our students and how it helps them to secure a job worldwide. So first one is the simple learning methodology. Each day will be having a 1 hour class divided into 4 sessions. The session 1 is for 5 minutes, quick revision and doubt clearance from the previous class. And session 2 is for 25 minutes. The trainer teaches the particular day topic for 15 minutes. And the student will be doing hands-on on that topic for 10 minutes. And session 3 is for 25 minutes. The trainer teaches the next topic for the day for 15 minutes. And the student will be doing hands-on and that topic for another 10 minutes. And session 4 is for 5 minutes. It's a recap of class with the trainer. So this is the learning pyramid. And the learning pyramid shows that reading alone provides 10% understanding. Images and videos provides 20% understanding. Then observing presentation provides 30% understanding. Group discussion provides 50% understanding. Hands-on practice provides 75% learning. and teaching concept to others boosts 90% understanding. So our students are trained to the level where they can work on any live projects. So what is your goal now? Everyone will be having different goals. Someone will be looking for new job. Someone will be as- looking for switching jobs, and someone will be interested in learning new technology. And some others will be looking for internal transfer within the company. So why we haven't reached our goal set? So it is all because of a habit. So for our habits have stopped us from reaching our goal. First one is wasting time, spending too much time on social media and talking about things that don't help us. Then no daily plan, starting day without a clear plan or priorities causing confusion. Then not acting, we talk about our goals, but we don't take regular steps to achieve them. So the habit loop creates a systematic learning path for career success. It has three components. First one is the thought, that is a cue, redirecting students' time from unproductive activities to focus learning. Then the routine, attending daily live classes in a disciplined manner. Then the reward, you'll be gaining knowledge and reaching your goal. So plenty of online videos are available nowadays. Why you have to choose live classes? The online videos have unstructured content, but in live class you have well-structured and organized learning. Another one disadvantage of going through online videos is we can't ask any questions, but in live class you can ask the trainer questions immediately during the live class itself. The trainer is unaware of individual students when you refer online videos, but in live class, the trainer knows each student personally. There is no personal experience sharing when you refer online videos, but in live class, the trainer shares real-time project experience with the students. There is no follow-up on homework when you refer online videos, but in live class, the trainer follows up daily and ensures homework is completed before moving to the next topic. So online videos are available for a long time, but due to habit and distraction, we haven't learned effectively. But live classes help restructure habit, making it easier to learn. So AllPro learning format is a combination of learning through online documents, live recorded videos, collaborative learning with friends. Advantages over other institutes, we allow only 5 students per batch, while other institutes add 50 to 200 students, making it hard to focus on individuals. Our trainers offer personal attention and promote interactive learning. We provide downloadable live recording of your classes. Most other institutes do not allow recording for lifetime access. Fingertip materials, all your live classes will be recorded and it can be downloaded by the students. Class notes will be provided in PDF or PPT format. Required software and licenses will be provided. All materials will be provided in a shared drive link. So this is the minimum market salary. So if you have 3 to 4 years of experience, you should get at least 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum salary. So if you're not up to this level, you have to upskill yourself and you have to switch your job. So thanks for your patience. So now the participants introduction. So participants, you can introduce yourself in the chat box. So participants can introduce yourself in the chat box. You can mention your name and you can mention whether you're a fresher or experienced professionals. Please mention in the chat box. Hi Lakshmi. Welcome. Hi Sneha. Hi Pallavi. Hi Aditya. Welcome everyone. Hi Sai, fresher. Hi Abhishek. Hi Sneha, student. Hi Nandini, fresher. Hi Danishka, fresher. Hi Swati, having 1 year experience. So please everyone introduce yourself in the chat. Hi Ansika, student. Hi Deva, student. So welcome all everyone for this Power BI webinar. So today we have our trainer, Ms. Pratima, well-experienced trainer, already given training to many of our students. Welcome, ma'am. You can proceed now. Hi, Arun Kumar. Welcome.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, ma'am, for introducing me to everyone. Hi, everyone. My name is Radhima. I'm from Pathankot, Punjab, North India. I know you are from different states. You are from different states and cities. So today I'm going to represent myself in this webinar, and I will introduce you with a very powerful tool which has been made and formed by the Microsoft company. So the tool name is Power BI. So today I'm going to share my screen with you. Just wait a second. Yes, you all can tell me if you are able to see my screen. Are you all able to see my screen? You can reply in the chat box. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay. So guys, today I'm going to introduce you with a very powerful tool which has almost replaced Microsoft Excel. When we talk about the Power BI, when we talk about the sales dashboard, expense dashboard, or any kind of other kinds of dashboards, so we always think about Microsoft Excel, because in Microsoft Excel it's very the creation of dashboard is a very lengthy process. It is a very, like, it takes time to create dashboard in Microsoft Excel. But when we talk about Power BI, the Microsoft team has introduced a new powerful tool, that is Power BI. So when we talk about Power BI, so in the creation of dashboard in Power BI is not a lengthy process. It doesn't consume so much time, right? So in this, we will learn how to master this BI tool, that is business intelligence tool, to create dashboards from data to insights by, uploading the data in Power BI. From uploading the data in Power BI to data cleaning to data modeling, and finally to create the dashboard in Power BI, we will learn all the things in Power BI. Next is, what is Power BI? It is a Microsoft industry. Guys, give me 2 minutes. Sorry for this 2 minutes break. So now we will understand what is Power BI. So Power BI is a collection of software services, apps and connectors that transform unrelated data sources into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insights. So basically it is a tool which has been designed by the Microsoft industry leading business analytics platform, in which we, there are so many data sources in Power BI from which we can upload the data. Let's suppose I have a data in Excel. Let's suppose I have a data in SQL. I have a data in text format. I have created a data in Notepad. So what is the extension of Notepad? It is TXTEXT. So this is TEXT is a file extension of the notepad. So basically Power BI is a collection of software services. We can upload the data from different software services, from different application. We have a Power BI desktop application also, and we have a Power BI mobile application also. So there are two types of applications in which we can create an insightful dashboard. One is Power BI desktop and the other one is Power BI mobile. And we have some connectors also in Power BI from which we can upload the data in Power BI. We can convert the data sources into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insight, so that when we are converting the Power BI data, when we are converting any kind of data in Power BI for creating the dashboard, data cleaning process. We call it as data cleaning process. When we convert the data, insightful data into a meaningful data, that process is called data cleaning. So we have first, like application is Power BI desktop. This is a free window app for building reports and data models. Okay. So under Power BI desktop, the working is absolutely similar, just like in the Power BI mobile. So in the Power BI desktop, this is a free window app. You can download Power BI desktop application from Google at free of cost. There is no charges you don't need to incur any charges for downloading the Power BI desktop application. And even in Power BI, this mobile application also, you can create insightful reports and visualizations. And this Power BI mobile application will work in iOS and Android mobiles, right? If you are using an Android mobile, you can even you can even use Power BI mobile in Android mobile. Okay. Next is core capabilities. Now they have mentioned what are the core capabilities of Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. So in the Power BI service model, this is a cloud-based SaaS for publishing, sharing, and collaboration. Let's suppose you have created a dashboard in Power BI. Now, after in the Power BI desktop, you have created a dashboard, and after creating the dashboard in Power BI desktop, you want to share that Power BI dashboard with somebody on an online mode. Okay, then in that case, you can use this Power BI service in which you can publish the dashboard, you can share the dashboard, and you can do the collaboration also. Now we will have, they have mentioned core capabilities. Ki what are the capabilities of Power BI, like this Power BI tool. So we can connect to 100 plus data sources. There is no any single data source. There is no any single data sources available in Power BI. We can connect to 100 plus data sources. It can transform and clean data with the help of Power Query. So when we talk about data cleaning process, so there is an inbuilt, tool which is inbuilt in Power BI, that is Power Query. Power Query is a ETL tool which we use for cleaning the data. If we have irrelevant columns in our data, if we have irrelevant rows in our data, so in that case, in order to transform that, messy data into clean data, we can do it with the help of Power Query. We can build data models with DAX formulas. DAX is data analysis expression. So when after cleaning the data with the help of Power Query, we can, do the data modeling. In data modeling, we will learn further about the data modeling. We can do data modeling with the help of DAX formulas. Like, likewise in Microsoft Excel, when we apply any formula, so in the similar manner, we can, create a DAX formula in, Power BI for doing the data modeling. Next, we can can create interactive visualizations, you can add charts, you can add graphs, you can add, some maps also. For if there is a region, country, state, city data is given to you, then with the help of that data you can create a visualization in Power BI by creating a map. By creating a digital map in dashboard, you can add the digital map in the dashboard. We can publish and share dashboards securely. Okay, so then this is the AI powered insight and anomaly detection. While working in Power BI, you can also use the AI tools also, so that with the help of AI tools, you can complete the dashboard in within 5 to 10 minutes, right? Next, we have some data sources, Power Query, data modeling, visualization, and sharing. So these are the steps that we follow while creating the dashboard in Power BI. First of all, in the data sources, we, upload the particular file from the different data sources. As I already told you, you can connect to 100 plus data sources. So with the help of those 100 plus data sources, you can connect your data with the Power BI, and with the help of Power Query Editor tool, this is the ETL tool, you can clean the data as much as you want to, and according to your requirement, whatever data you want to show in the dashboard, you can do the data cleaning with the help of Power Query tool as per your requirement. Next, we need to do the data modeling. Obviously, in the Power BI tool, you don't connect the single data with Power BI. You connect multiple datas with Power BI. In the Power BI, you connect multiple datas in Power BI. So among those multiple data, you need to create a data modeling. You need to create a relationship. Data modeling means to create a relationship among different data sets. And after doing the data modeling, after writing down all the data analysis expression formulas, finally it's the time to create a visualization in Power BI. After creating a insightful dashboard in Power BI, it's finally ready to share among your friends, your clients, your colleagues, to whomsoever you want to share your dashboard. You can share the dashboard online with the help of this Power BI service. Right, guys? Next, we have some files, some databases, cloud and services. So these are the types of files. These are the types of database and cloud data sources and service data sources we have. We have Excel. For Excel, we have .xlsx. Then we have CSV and text format CSV. Can anybody tell me what is the full form of CSV? Yes, guys. Can anybody tell me? You can reply in the chat box if you know the full form of CSV. Okay, nobody knows. Okay, I will tell you. CSV means comma separated value. Comma separated value. So sometimes whatever data we prepare in Excel, we convert we change the format of the Excel. Excel format is .xlsx. But sometimes when we have to keep the data in another format, we change the format after pressing Control plus S. We change the format in the file name. We change the format of the particular data. Then we change then in that process, we change the formation of the data from Excel to CSV. Then we have JSON and XML, PDF also, SharePoint folder also. Then we have SQL Server, we have PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, Azure SQL database. These are some of the, some frequently used data sources which are given to you in this slide. Next, we have connect, preview, transform, merge, append, and load. Okay. So here, we have the first step in Power BI to connect a data source to the Power BI so that Power BI could able to authenticate whether the data is a pirated one or the original one. Okay, after that, we have to do the data cleaning. So in the preview option, we have to inspect how many rows are there in the data, how many columns are there in the data, and what are the data types. Okay, and we have to click on transform. We have like in the preview option we have two options. One is load and the other one is transform. See, if you don't need to do data cleaning in your respective data, if there is no requirement, then you can simply click on the load button. But if you actually requires transformation of the data, actually you want to do the data cleaning, which is required in the given data, then you need to click on transform. In this, we will filter the rows, remove columns, pivot and unpivot. You can convert the data to pivot and unpivot data also you can convert, and it will filter your rows and columns also. Whatever column you want to remove that is irrelevant to the dashboard creation process, you can remove that column, you can remove that row, you can filter the row, you can filter the column. Okay. Next, we have to merge the data. Now we join tables by key columns like SQL join. In this, like after doing the data cleaning process, we have some two types of queries. We have one is merge query and append query. Merge query means that when we have two data sets vertically, but the information given in two data sets is in a horizontal manner, and we have to combine two data sets with each other, then we use merge query. Here we join the tables by key columns. Okay, like the data is given to us and the data is in vertical order. Okay, and you have to combine two data with each other, that you can do with the help of merge query. And append query means that when you have to combine the table in the two Excel files, let's suppose you have two Excel files with you and you have to combine the two Excel files with in a vertical manner. You want first Excel file, after that second Excel file, then you need to click on append query. When you need to when you need to combine the data horizontally, then you do merge query. When you need to combine the data vertically, then you click on append query. Okay. And after merging and appending the data according to the requirement, we simply click on load button, and what will happen, the data will be start loading in the Excel format. The data will load in the Excel format and it will create a new data for you after doing the merge and append. Okay guys? Yes guys, understood? You can reply in the chat box if you understood this much in this webinar. Guys, I'm waiting for everybody's reply. Okay, no problem. Next is guys, don't reply personally, don't send me personal messages. You can reply in the everyone section. You can reply in the everyone section, guys. Okay, okay. So now we will understand the data modeling technique. Okay, guys, I got your answer. Okay. Okay, now we will understand the data modeling, like data modeling part. when we do the data modeling part, so we actually create a relationship between different data sets, which we have uploaded in Power BI, which we have transformed already. We did the data cleaning process in those data sets. Now it's time to create a data modeling. So in the data modeling, we create 4 types of relationships. Number one is, let's suppose these are the DIM date. This is the first data set. Region is the second data set. Customer, product, and sales. These are the various data sets which are given to you. Now you want to create a relation between these data sets. So we create 4 types of relationships. One is one-to-many. One-to-many means that let's suppose in the sales data set and product data set, there are one column which is similar in sales data set and product data set. Then when we, let's suppose in the sales data set, we have product key. We have product key, which is unique. But in the product data set, we have product key, which is repeating. So when we create a relation among product and sales data, so that will be created as one-to-many. When we create sales data relationship with product data, then it will create a one-to-many relationship, which means that in sales data, the product key was unique. It was not repeating again and again. But in product data, the product key values were repeating. So when I created sales data relationship with product data, so it will created with the relationship of one-to-many. Most common one-dimension row to many fact rows. One-to-many means one means the product key is not repeating, and many means the product key is repeating again and again. Okay, guys? Yes, guys, understood with one-to-many relationship? Yes, guys, be active in the session. You can reply in the chat box. Very good, very good. Yes, guys, everyone, I need everyone to reply in the chat box. Okay. Now, next is many to one. Many to one means that, let's suppose I'm going to create a relation between product to customer. Again, you can see that in the product data set, we have product key. We have product key, which is, repeating. And in the customer data set, the product key is not repeating at all. It is a unique value. The values are unique. So when I create the relation from product data set to customer data set, it will be created as many to one. Okay, many means the values are repeating again and again, and one means the values are unique. It is itself not repeating again and again. Yes, guys, understood? Yes, everyone understood? Because why I'm asking from all of you, because I need your indulgence also. I need your involvement also, so that your replies will tell me that you are listening to me properly, you are understanding the concepts properly. When you will do the practical of Power BI, you will definitely learn a new tool. You will definitely learn in a far better way. Okay. Next is one-to-one. One-to-one means this is a very rare relationship that you need to create. Let's suppose we are creating the relation between region and sales. Sorry, yes, region and sales we are creating. And here you can see that in the sales data set, we have states which are not repeating. And in the region also, we have states that are not repeating. So it means whatever relation we are creating between region data set and sales data set, it is related to one-to-one. Rare, they have mentioned rare, considering merging the tables. They are saying that if you have merged that particular data set with the help of merge query, then only you will get a relationship of many to one or one to many. Otherwise, if you are creating a relation between region and sales, that will be related to one only, and it is a very rare relationship that you will require to create. Okay. Next is many to many. Use bridge table for cleaner design. Okay. Now you can say that when I'm creating the relation between date and sales, so it will create it as a many to many. When I'm creating products data set and date data set, so it will create a many to many, because dates are repeating in product data set also, and in the date data set also dates are repeating. So it will create a many to many. So I just want to clear you all of you that we normally create one to many and many to one relation, but one to one and many to many relationships are not to be created. These are very rare relationships that we create in Power BI while doing the data model. Okay, guys? I hope you have understood the relationship types for data modeling process. Okay. Next, these are the some of the formulas. These are the DAX formulas. Let's suppose we are creating sales dashboard and we have a data set of sales. Then we have a data set of category, product key, product subcategory, territories, and returns table data set they have given to us. Now, like why we create DAX formula? Because you first of all, I would like to ask all of you, how many of you have seen dashboard? How many of you have seen the dashboard? Please reply in the chat box with me. By writing me, you can reply in the chat box. How many of you have seen dashboard? Okay, Nandini. Okay. Aditya. Very good. And what about other candidates? Have you seen dashboard? Okay, Swati says me. Okay, and who is he? Who is this? Is this Hiren Nagaraj? Okay, very good. So you can see that whenever you saw any dashboard, so these are the cards. There are some cards which are created in dashboard on the top side, top center corner. You can see that why we write DAX formula, so that we could able to generate cards, KPI cards in dashboard. Let's suppose I want a total revenue card in the Power BI dashboard. So for total revenue, I will write down a formula over here, that is sum. Obviously, from the list of revenues, I want to have a total revenue. So it's obviously when we do sum total of some figures, so we get the total. So in order to get the total revenue, I need to do the sum total of sales, and under sales data we have a revenue column. Under sales data we have a revenue column. That's why they have mentioned sum formula. Next, we have YTD revenue. So for YTD revenue, I need to calculate total YTD. So it will be calculated from the revenue column. And when I multiply with date, YTD, I want to have a yesterday revenue. So with the yesterday date, when I multiply my, total YTD sale revenue, I will get the yesterday revenue. Next, we have sales versus LY. So these are the formulas that we will learn in DAX function when you will start learning Power BI. So these are the some of the DAX functions which you will learn under Power BI. Next, we have some kinds of visualization they have mentioned in this slide. They have mentioned under visualization what you will learn. You will learn how to insert bar chart and column chart. Bar charts and column charts are used to compare categories, rankings, trends over periods. Over the period, whatever the trends are there, whatever the rankings are there, whatever the categories are there, you can compare these things with the help of bar and column chart. Now, with the help of line chart, you can show the trends. You can show the change in trends. Either trend is increasing, either the trend is decreasing. You can show with the help of line chart. With the pie chart and donut chart, you can show the whole proportion, that is 6 slices. Your whenever you insert pie chart, your pie chart will be will be separated into 6 slices according to the data which you have uploaded in Power BI. Then we have map. As I already told you, we have a map also in Power BI visualization process. So when you have a territory data with you, so in the territory there will be regions, states, countries, cities, and there will be some towns. So according to the requirement, according to the data requirement, you can create a map also in the Power BI. Then we have metrics and table also. For the detailed drill down data with multiple dimensions, you can use metrics. Next, we have cards. So as I discussed with you already, this total revenue, YTD revenue, these are the DAX functions which we actually write down in Power BI to create what? To create these cards and KPI. So these are the cards and KPIs which we actually create after writing down the DAX functions, DAX formulas. Next, we have scatter plot chart also, and we have gauge also. Okay. Next, we have visual level filter. When we talk about the Power BI interface, so the Power BI interface has been divided into different types of options. Number one is visual level filter, applies only to the specific visual, other visuals are unaffected. When you applying visual level filter to a specific visual, then the visual level filter will be applied only to the selected visual. The other visuals will not get affected. Next, page level filter filters every visual on the current report page. Like whenever after creating the dashboard, if you want to add a filter over every visual, then you can use page level filter. Then we have report level filter. When you apply the filters across all pages, useful for audience specific data security. Then we have drilled through filter, carries context from one page to detailed page for deeper analysis. So you will learn, you will practically analyze these options in Power BI. Then we have slicer type. In slicer type, you can create a drop down list. You can create a single list or multiple list. You can create a range. You can create a can create. So these are the options which are available to you in the Power BI for creating the dashboard. Next, we have some Q&A, natural language, ask questions in plain English. Whatever. Let's suppose if you are using AI tool with the AI tool along with Power BI. So whatever question you will ask from AI, you need to ask the question from AI tool in a simple plain English, and it will automatically give you a visualization in return response. The AI tool will give you a automatic visualization in just 5 minutes. Smart narratives, auto-generated text summarizes of your data. These are some of the tools which are present with you in Power BI. Anomaly detection, key influencers, then we have decomposition tree, forest. These are some other tools which are available to you as a part of visualization. You can create such visualization also with the help of these options. Next, we have built-in desktop. Everything is available to you in the desktop application. After creating an insightful dashboard, you can publish the dashboard in Power BI service. You can create workspaces also. You can build an app also, and you can share that app with your users also. So you can share a report, publish to web. If you want to, publish your dashboard on online platforms like Google Chrome or any other particular website, you can publish the dashboard online also. We have Power BI application also. Then we have, some of the, in the Microsoft Teams, some, this Power BI dashboard is embedded in Microsoft Teams, in SharePoint, and websites also. When you are, let's suppose you are using a website, you have opened a website, and in the particular website, there is a data. So you can open that particular website data in Power BI in a very easy way. You can data from SharePoint easily. You can connect the data of Microsoft Teams also in Power BI, right? Then we have some static RLS and dynamic RLS. So we will discuss about these later. Then we have data modeling, DAX measure, visuals, and storage and refresh. So I think so I don't need to discuss all these points again and again, because I have already discussed with you and already told you about the steps which are involved in creating a dashboard. First of all, we create data modeling with the help of one-to-many and many-to-one relationship. Then we write down DAX measure. DAX measure means in the measure option, we write down the DAX formula so that we could able to generate KPI cards and KPI cards also, or normal cards also. Then we add visuals, which are already, inbuilt in Power BI. And for storage and refresh, we use Power BI service. Okay. Okay. Now, for desktop development published to my workflows, you can see that this means that in India, this Power BI desktop application is free of cost. Everything is free of cost. If you want to use the Power BI for personal use only, then it's free. But if you are using the Power BI for sharing reports and dashboards, workforce collaboration, and API access and embedding, then it will cost you $10. For premium per user, it will cost $20, and premium capacity, it will cost you $4,995 monthly. Okay. Otherwise, if you for practice, if you are using the Power BI, it will be free of cost. Okay. Next, Power BI mobile and embedded analytics, they have given a differentiation between these 2 points. So in Power BI mobile, this will be available in iOS, Android, and Windows, and embedded analytics embedded for your organization internal apps. Power BI mobile, phone layout, view, and desktop for mobile optimized reports. If you have created a dashboard in Power BI desktop and you want to check the dashboard whether it is working in phone layout or not, then you can use Power BI mobile. Then we have push notification and data alerts also. Like you can switch on the push notifications and data alerts, and by that time, slowly and gradually, you will get the notifications related to Power BI mobile in your mobile. Then we have annotate and share snapshot via email and Teams. Likewise in Zoom, email, and Teams also we have annotation. So we have annotation in Power BI mobile also. You can access the, Power BI mobile, you can access offline also. And there is a biometric authentication also. When you are using Power BI mobile in mobile, in your phone, then it will ask you for Face ID and fingerprints. Okay. So now, after discussing all the points, all the steps of Power BI, how we can create a dashboard, you are ready to build an insightful dashboard in Power BI. Connect to any data source and transform it with help of Power Query. Then build a star schema model and define measures in DAX. And choose the right visual and apply design best practices. And now you can secure your data with row level security. You don't need to worry at all that your data will get hacked, or your Power BI desktop will get hanged. You don't need to worry about that. And you can share the dashboard via workspace, apps, teams, or embedded portals. And you can continuously optimize for better performance and governance. So that's it from my side, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed today's webinar, and I hope you have learned a lot from this webinar. And when you will enroll in the course, and when you will start learning the Power BI interface and working, then you will definitely love it, and you will definitely learn to create a insightful dashboard. Thank you, everyone. Thank you from my side.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am. It's a wonderful session. So now it's doubt clearance session. So if you have any queries, you can mention in the chat. The trainer will reply.
Yes, guys, if you have any doubt as of now, you can ask me in the chat box. I will reply. I will try to reply to each and everyone. Yes, guys, any doubts if you have, then you can ask me in the chat box. No doubts so far? Yes, in Tableau, the working is absolutely same, but the interface of Tableau is a little bit different than Power BI. See, like when you use any different tools, so you will see that the interface of each and every tool will be different, but the working is same, the purpose is same, but the interface is different in Tableau and in Power BI.
Yeah, someone asked
Both are
Tableau.
important. Both are important. See, guys, Tableau and Power BI, the purpose is same to create an insightful dashboard, but both are same. But both are equally important. You can learn both the tools, but for HR role, for specific HR role, the yes, you can apply.
Okay, any other queries? Okay, thanks, Ritima, for your
Yes,
time.
yes.
And it
Thank
was
you,
a nice
ma'am. Thank
session.
you.
Yeah, thank you. So, others, please stay for another 15 to 20 minutes. We have a feedback session. I will be sharing the feedback form link only at the end of the session. Please wait. So, now I'm sharing one of our students' review video. Kindly watch it.
Good evening, all. Myself, Yuvraj. I'm working in IT company. I'm interested in a Power BI course, so I go for searching the institution and what are the courses giving the Power BI. So one of the course institution, AllPro Institutional Training Center. That training center giving the wonderful learning for me. The trainer also is good, and that group also, the training also is giving a lot of information to me. So thank you so much for wonderful learning for me, and I have a lot of learning and lots of questions I have. So I'm asking to my trainer also. The trainer also giving the explanation, example, and a lot of information to give it to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for AllPro Training Institution, and same my trainer, my coach Deepak also. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks for watching. Now I am presenting some of our students' Google review. So as I mentioned in the intro, so we provide a training on all technologies, all IT technologies. This is Snowflake student review from Karnataka. So very good trainer with a great experience and excellent teaching skill. This is a review from one of our student who took SAP CPA training from us from Chennai. This is review from SailPoint IAC student from Hyderabad. This is a SailPoint IAC student review from UK. And another student who took SailPoint IAC training from Texas. And there's a Blue Prism student review from Sweden. Java backend student review. And a Palo Alto student review. It's a working professional, 4 years experienced working professional. Tosca SAP student review from Bangalore. And the Power Automate student review from Hyderabad. Power Automate student review from Andhra. Digital marketing student review from Maharashtra. So we provide training on all technologies. So now the interesting part, let's do one small interaction with everyone. Now the first session begins. So as I mentioned earlier, so we provide a full course training as well as a workshop. So the training model, we have a full course. So training will be in either GeoMeet or Zoom. And it is for around 35 hours. Each day you'll be having a 1 hour class, 60 minutes class. Then the flash course, it is also conducted either in GeoMeet or Zoom. And it will be for 5 to 10 hours. 5 hours of flash course or workshop. So now the interesting part, let's do one small interaction with everyone here. Can you guess what is the market price for Power BI full course? Anyone? So what is the market price for Power BI. You can mention in chat box. Please, all of you, please mention the chat box. Okay. Someone said 40K. 30K, 35K. So please wait. We will be sending the feedback link at the end of the session. So those who fill the feedback will get the certificate. Please wait. We'll be sharing the link. So you can post your answers in the chat box. What will be the market price for Power BI full course training? So 40K, 30K, 38K. So we are getting really good guesses from the participants. Yes, that's true. So in the current market, most institutes charge around 35K to 40K for the Power BI full course training. And for the flash course, it is 12K to 15K. But at AllPro Trainings, we believe quality training should be affordable to everyone. So that's why we keep our pricing reasonable for students and working professionals. So we are not charging up to 35K or 40K. So now let me ask you one more question. What will be the AllPro training price for Power BI full course? Please mention your guesses in the chat box. So what will be AllPro training price for the Power BI full course training? You can see 25K. Others, please respond. $27K. Yes. $25K. 17K. So good guesses again from everyone. Actually, the usual AllPro trainings price for the Power BI full course is 21K for the Power BI full course and 6K for the flash course. So AllPro training price is 21K for the full course and 6K for the flash course. So are you okay with this price? So can we give one more offer? Please reply yes in the chat box if you need more offer. Yes. Others? Only few replied as yes. Are you okay with this price or you need some more offer? Yes. Thanks for your response. So for those who attended the live webinar today, so we are announcing a special offer for you people only for those who attended the webinar today. A special offer exclusively for today's participants. And this offer is only for 15 minutes. It's a special offer. So the full course price is just 16K and the flash course is just 999 rupees only. So we are offering the Power BI full course training, 35 hours training at just 16,000 rupees and the flash course of 5 hours of workshop is just 999. So please make use of this offer. It's only for those who attended the webinar today. And this special offer is only for those participants who have attended the webinar today, and it's just a 15 minutes offer. Kindly make use of it. So the special bonus is a free interview session, free resume preparation help will be provided. So professional certification guidance will be provided, lifelong community support you will get, then LinkedIn recommendation will be provided, job guidance will be provided. And your special advantages. So you can clear your queries at any time with the trainer. It's a live class. So whenever you have doubt, you can stop the trainer and you can clear your queries. And training is at your preferred timing. So weekdays or weekend, morning or evening batches available. So you can have the classes at your preferred timing. Recorded videos. So all your live classes will be recorded and you'll be getting the recording of your live classes also. You can use it for future references. Daily class notes and documents. So you'll be getting class notes and documents also. So one small step can change your life. So those who are interested to enroll in the flash course, you have shared the account details on the screen. You can pay to this the contact number and enroll yourself. Also, I am sharing you in the chat also. Before that, I am sharing the feedback form link. So please make use of this offer. The flash course, 5 hours flash course is rupees 999 only. So those who are interested to join the flash course, kindly register now itself. I am sharing the account details, everything in the payment link in the chat. You can pay token payment also. I have shared the payment link in the chat. Those who want to enroll in the flash course or full course, kindly pay in this account. The full course, PowerBi full course is just 16,000 rupees. It is 35 hours of live classes, practical live session. So all our trainers are working professionals. They are working in industry. So it is not just a theoretical class. It's entirely practical. Real-time projects will be provided. And the flash course, it is 999. 5 hours of flash course at just rupees 999 only. So if you want to enroll, you can pay in the payment details which is shared in the chat, or else you can contact me. I am sharing my contact number also. You can WhatsApp me or call me in this number. I'm sharing my contact number in the chat box. You can contact me also and enroll. Now I'm sharing the feedback form link. So those who need the certificates, kindly fill the feedback form link. Please mention the mail ID on which you need to receive the certificates correctly. Certificate will be sent to the mail ID which you mention in the feedback form. So once again, I am repeating. So the full course price is just 999. Sorry, the full course price is 16,000. This offer is only for 15 minutes and only for those who participated this webinar. And the flash course price is 999. Kindly make use of it. Those who have attended the webinar, if you are interested to join, kindly enroll in the number I have shared in the chat box, or you can pay directly in the payment links shared in the chat box. Please confirm whether you received the feedback form link. Those who fill the feedback form link only will receive the webinar certificate. I am sharing it again. If you receive, please confirm it once in the chat. I have shared the feedback form link again in the chat. Please confirm whether you received the feedback form. Anyone, please confirm in chat. Okay, thanks for confirming, Nandini. So this is a special offer for the participants. Kindly make use of it. I'm sharing again my contact number. So if you want to enroll, if you need the syllabus, PowerBi flash course or full course syllabus, please contact me in this number. I have shared my contact number in the chat. If you want to enroll immediately, I have shared the payment link also. Please enroll and share your payment screenshot to the contact number mentioned in the chat box. I am also sharing the payment in screen also, it's visible, the payment links. So also you can scan and pay. So you won't get this opportunity again. So we are offering PowerBi full course for just 16K and flash course for just 999. Please make use of it. I hope everyone would have filled the feedback form. So those who fill the feedback form will receive their certificates in their mail ID within a week. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found the session informative and inspiring. If you have any further questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to stay connected for updates on our upcoming training sessions. Have a wonderful evening ahead, and we look forward to seeing you in our future sessions. Thanks for joining, everyone. We can wind up the